Welcome to SSB Show Short Academy, the best platform in India to prepare for SSB interview. SSB Show Short presents the signature online courses by some of the top experts of armed forces and professional educators.
This is the first video where I'll be sharing some information about the Indian physiography. Hello everyone, my name is Shrishti. I'm the educator of the online written examination courses for CDS, AFCAT, INET, which we have recently launched.
Combined Defense Services is a tri-services entry examination followed by an interview for becoming an officer. Similarly, the AFCAT or INET, that is Air Force Common Admission Test, and Indian Navy Entrance Test is partial to Air Force and Naval entries respectively.
Since the notifications of the written examination as well as your SSBs will be out soon, you all must be well aware about the facts and information which will be beneficial for your written examinations. This is the first video where I'll be sharing some information about the Indian physiography.
Physiography or physical geography is the branch of natural science which deals with the study of processes and patterns in the natural environment such as the atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and geosphere, as opposed to the cultural or built environment, the domain of human geography. Today we are going to learn some facts about the Indian physiography.
The mainland of India is situated in the northern hemisphere, to be precise in the northeastern hemisphere. It extends from latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. The southernmost actual point, which is the Indira point, is located in the Nicobar Islands, is at 6 degree 4 minute north. Taking the longitudes in light, the Indian mainland starts from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. India is world's 7th largest country according to area and 2nd largest country according to population. India stretches 3,214 km from north to south and 2,933 km from east to west. The total land area that India covers is about 32,87,263.16 km square. The northernmost point is Indira Col, located in the Siachen Glacier, which is in the Karakoram ranges of the Himalayas. Coming to the southernmost point on the Indian mainland is Cape Comorin, or we call it as Kanyakumari, which is in the state of Tamil Nadu. But the actual southernmost point is situated on the Great Nicobar Islands, which is called as Indira Point. The tiny town of Kibito, which is situated in the Arunachal Pradesh, is the easternmost point of our country, whereas the westernmost point of India is the small inhabited village of Guwar Moti, located in the Kutch district of Gujarat. The coldest place on the Indian mainland is Dras, which is located in Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. It is situated at a height of approximately 11,000 feet. The wettest place on the Indian mainland is Cherrapunji, which is located in the state of Meghalaya. Located in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, Cherrapunji is often touted as the wettest place on the earth. It holds the record for the most rainfall in a calendar month and year. The smallest state of India is Goa, with an area of 3,702 square kilometers. It is the smallest state by the area and fourth smallest state by the population. The largest Indian state by area is Rajasthan, which covers an area up to 3,42,239 square kilometers. It is the 8th largest state by population. The highest point in India is Mount Kanchenjunga, which is located at a height of 28,169 feet. It is located in the eastern Himalayas in the state of Sikkim. The disputed highest point in India is called as K2 or Godwin Austen, which is located in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The lowest point on the Indian mainland is located in Alleppey, Kerala. The longest river is the mighty Ganga, about 2,525 km. It starts in the western Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand and empties into the Bay of Bengal. Sprawling an area of 45,652 square km, Kutch in the state of Gujarat is the largest district in India. It consists largely of Run of Kutch, which is the large salt flat desert. Mahe, with an area of 9 square kilometers, is the smallest district in India. Geographically, it comes under the state of Kerala, whereas administratively, it is under the control of Puducherry. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Sundarbans, with an area of 10,000 square kilometers, is the largest delta in India. It is one of the largest reserves of the Bengal tiger. The Indian Union consists of 28 states and 8 union territories, including the National Capital Territory. So these were some facts about the Indian Peninsula which are important for your SSB as well as your written examination. Keep brushing up your facts so that it's easier for you to crack the SSB as well as the written examinations. With our signature SSB courses, we have also started online coaching for written examination of CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army as well as NDA. You can check our website and enroll yourself into these courses.
We are launching a new channel to give our best efforts in changing your lives. SSB Show Short Plus. Our premier SSB and personality development channel is here, coming up with latest contents. Our dedicated faculty is set to bestow their efforts for putting a big impact on your personality. Come join us to be the best. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting regular updates to keep your SSB preparation on track.
For detailed information, visit our website or call us on our number. So that's it for this week. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates, and do not forget to keep studying and keep brushing your facts. This is how you will be able to crack your written examinations as well as your SSB.